Hello, today we are going to make a paper airplane. First, you need an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. So, first what you do is fold it in half lengthwise. Make sure that all your creases are very crisp and good. Second, unfold the paper. Fold one corner in to the center so that the top page is aligned with the center, and repeat on both sides. Third, fold the paper in half so that it looks like that, and take this corner and fold it towards the middle so it looks like that, and repeat on the other side. Now, what you do is fold it again so that it makes another fold like that. Fold it kind of in half and do that on both sides. And that is how you make a paper airplane. Now, let's see how it flies.